welcome all of you to this landmark occasion.
New Delhi, witness to a revolution. Today, Tata Motors makes the ultimate leadership statement in the trucking industry.
Today, we bring this purpose alive through three pillars that matter most to every transporter: profitability, safety, and progress, by launching 17 new trucks along with 2 new generation engines and a state-of-the-art modular electric vehicle architecture.
This is more than a launch. It's a commitment to being better always.
We now deliver up to 1.8 tons higher payload. This will enable our customers to earn higher profits, if I may say 30% and beyond. It will result into faster payback and quicker return on investment. These trucks extract maximum efficiency from every drop of fuel it burns, delivering up to 7% fuel savings.
From high payload tippers to the fuel efficiency series, the goal is clear: maximum profitability for the Indian transporter. But progress means nothing without protection.
Today, we have proudly launched our entire range of cabin trucks that meets the stringent European EEC R2903 cabin safety norm, making Tata Motors the first and only Indian OEM to do so across truck platforms.
Next, the Azura range, the new face of ILM CVs.
That's how Azura powers progress our customers can trust. Today, we introduce Azura across 7-ton, 12-ton, 14-ton, 16-ton, 19-ton segments. Made in India, built for India, better always. For the first time, Tata Motors introduces largest range of electric trucks starting from 7-ton to 55-ton, made in India, made for India.
The final surge, the launch of India's largest range of EV trucks, 30 plus patents and zero emissions, ensuring that the future of trucking is as clean as it is powerful. 17 trucks, 4 pavilions, 1 vision. Tata Motors is driving India confidently into tomorrow. Stronger, safer, better always.